What makes JSON the universal data format for JavaScript? Imagine a language that speaks to both humans and computers with equal ease. That's what JSON does in the world of web development. It's everywhere because it's simple, fast, and works across many programming languages. When you think about how websites talk to servers or store data in browsers, JSON is usually the language they use. It's a text-based format that looks like JavaScript object notation, which means it's familiar to anyone who writes JavaScript. Data in JSON is stored as key-value pairs, where keys are strings and values can be strings, numbers, true or false, arrays, or even other objects. This makes it flexible enough to handle simple lists or complex nested data structures. Because JSON has minimal syntax, it results in smaller file sizes compared to older formats like Excel. Smaller files mean faster data transfer over the internet, which is super important for web pages that need to load quickly. JSON's compatibility is another big reason it's so popular. Even though it's based on JavaScript syntax, many programming languages like Python, Java, PHP, and Go can easily generate and read JSON data. This makes it the go-to format for exchanging data between different systems. In JavaScript, working with JSON is straightforward. The language provides built-in functions like JSON parse to turn a JSON string into a JavaScript object, and JSON stringify to convert a JavaScript object into a JSON string. These tools make it easy to handle data without extra libraries or complicated code. Most web APIs send responses in JSON format, so developers can rely on a consistent way to send and receive data. When you fetch user details, product info, or configuration settings from a server, it's usually in JSON. Developers also use JSON for configuration files inside applications. Changing settings in a JSON file is quick and easy, so you don't need to modify code directly. In web apps, JSON helps load data dynamically. For example, a shopping site might load product lists from a server as JSON, then display them on the page. Browser storage options like local storage also store data as JSON strings. This makes it simple to save complex data structures between sessions. JSON can representing complex data, including nested objects and arrays, which makes it versatile for many projects. Whether you're building small websites or large apps, JSON's simplicity and speed make it the universal data format for JavaScript. Its ability to work seamlessly with web interaction tools, APIs, and browser storage makes it an essential part of modern web development. Understanding JSON is a key step for anyone learning JavaScript because it's the backbone of data exchange on the web.